Is it really true that angels don't enter a house with pictures? Many of us have heard this phrase, repeated by parents, imams, or elders. But is it just culture, or is it based on authentic Islamic teachings? And if it is true, which angels are we talking about? Does it apply to the pictures on your phone, or only to the ones hanging on your wall? Stay with me, because the answer is far deeper than most of us think. Imagine this, a Muslim home where Quran is recited, prayer mats are spread out, and a family gathers every night for dua. But hanging on the wall is a framed picture, maybe a family portrait, maybe a decorative painting. What if that single object was enough to keep the angels of mercy away? What if that small detail was silently pushing away the blessings of Allah from that home? This is not a small matter, because if the angels of mercy don't enter, what remains inside the home? And what consequences does that bring? Let's uncover the truth together. Now here's the hadith that started it all. But before I share it, ask yourself, what would your life look like if angels never stepped inside your house? Would your dua feel as accepted? Would your family feel as protected? Think about that as we explore the words of the Prophet. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said in an authentic narration, "The angels do not enter a house in which there are statues or pictures." This hadith is clear. But here comes the real question, which angels does this refer to? Is it the angels who record deeds? Is it all angels? Or specifically the angels of mercy? Stay with me, because the answer may surprise you. It's not about every angel, and it's not about every kind of picture. According to the scholars, the hadith refers to the angels of mercy, the noble angels who bring barakah, protection, and sakina, tranquility, into a believer's home. These are the angels we want in our lives, the angels whose presence brings peace, blessings, and Allah's mercy. But when pictures or statues resembling living beings are displayed, whether humans or animals, these angels do not enter. Why? Because such objects were historically linked to idol worship, pride, and imitation of Allah's creation. The wisdom is that a home should be a place of purity, free from distractions that can turn hearts away from Allah. Now pause and reflect, look around your home. Do you see paintings, portraits, or statues displayed? Have you ever thought about whether these could actually prevent the angels of mercy from entering? And what about the pictures on your phone, passport, or ID card? Does this hadith include those as well? Let's clear that up. Scholars explain that necessary photographs, like IDs, school certificates, and official documents, are not the same as decorative images displayed on walls. The prohibition here is about images used as decoration, art, or pride. The angels of mercy do not stay in homes where such items are honored. So no, your phone gallery does not automatically block angels. But your wall art, your posters, your statues, and the pictures you proudly display, that's where the problem lies. And that's where many of us fall into negligence. Think about it carefully, what is more valuable, a painting on your wall, or the mercy of Allah filling your home? A piece of decoration, or the angels of protection guarding your family from harm? It's heartbreaking that so many Muslim homes today are decorated like museums, filled with images, statues, and ornaments, while the angels of mercy stand outside, waiting. All for the sake of decoration. We risk losing the greatest blessing Allah could place in our homes. So yes, the hadith is authentic. Angels of mercy do not enter homes with statues or pictures displayed. But the choice is ours, to let our homes be filled with worldly beauty that pushes angels away, or with spiritual beauty that invites the mercy of Allah. Ya Allah, fill our homes with your light. Ya Allah, send your angels of mercy to guard our families and bring barakah into our lives. Ya Allah, protect us from anything that drives your angels away. Ameen. Brothers and sisters, we live in a world full of distractions. Every home has pictures, screens, and designs. But this hadith is a reminder, what truly matters is not how stylish our walls look, but whether our homes invite the mercy of Allah. A believer's home should be a sanctuary of dhikr, Quran, salah, and barakah. If something inside is blocking that, it is not worth keeping. Imagine, the angels of mercy standing outside your home, not entering because of a single decoration. Imagine the peace, the protection, the blessings that your family is missing out on. Is it worth it? So I ask you right now, what will you choose? Will you choose decoration over mercy? Pictures over protection? Or will you choose to purify your home, so that Allah's angels enter freely, bringing light, sakina, and blessings to every corner?